Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can wear your summer clothes in winters. I had no clue about it, but recently I've been watching a lot of videos and I think I know the trick and I'm going to share it with you. I hope that you will like this video. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's get into the video.
So here I'm wearing this very bright red turtleneck sweater, and on the top of that I'm wearing this very flower print top, which looks really nice and it just gives you a very summer vibes, but you can wear it in winters. So the second outfit is this shirt and the same turtleneck which I wore before, and I'm gonna tie a knot because it just looks good, and carry a crossbody bag and you're good to go. So here I'm wearing this very cute little crop top which is purple in color, and on the top of that I'm wearing this shrug which is pretty long. It's knee length shrug, and I'm carrying a crossbody bag like this one which is black in color, and on the bottom I'm wearing the same trouser which I wore before, that is sort of baby pink in color. And this whole look is really nice because it just gives you a very formal vibe and you can wear it when you go out with your friends or a casual outing.
So that was it for the video, guys. I hope that you liked this video, and if you do, then please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.